Ciao a tutti, my name is Alberto Falcone. Today in this short tutorial I will show you how to prep a balloon, a latex balloon, before to be inflated by helium. There are two different concepts. Somebody say that is not necessary. Somebody else prefer to stretch the balloon as much as possible before to inflate with helium, by helium. The Italian style, if you want, is to stretch it by using an inflator like this. Inflate the balloon totally and then deflate totally. In this way you can check if the balloon is good without any hole, and so if it pop, normally it pop with air and you lost only the balloon and not even the helium. You know how much it costs in the market in this moment. Then after this you can put some HiFloat inside, and you have to do the massage to the balloon. You know, they are very happy for this. Prep it to be inflated by helium. The quantity of the HiFloat I put inside is controlled by this small plastic stop, so I cannot go more than this when I push. So you have to control together with the dispenser which is the color that is matched with the size of balloon that you are doing. So I massage it, as I told you. Be careful, leave the gel all over the balloon but not in the neck, and then finally I can inflate it with helium. You can have different kind of tanks to do it. This one is a small one, but good to bring with you when you have some job out from your shop to do. Inflate the balloon and then you can tie it with a ribbon, or it depends how we use it. Finally, we can tie the balloon. Normally I tie it with a ribbon like this. You have just to put the ribbon around the neck like this, and then you don't have to take care about the ribbon anymore. You have just to do the knot of this balloon with the neck, and that's it. The ribbon stays exactly in the middle of the knots, so it's already done without to knot the balloon before and then the ribbon to the balloon. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really hope that can be useful for you in your job. See you soon.